Alright guys, well, 95 Blazer. Brake lights stopped working. Turn signals, parking lights, everything work except for the brake lights. So, even the rear stopped working, everything down here. Except for the turns and the parking lamps. Reverse lights work. Everything works except for the stop lamps. So what I found out, got a new connector here, new switch. So, let's see, get some light here. This wire got a little burnt and corroded right off the terminal in there. I kind of beat it up a little bit. I tried getting it out with a pick, whatnot. It just would not come out. I was just going to resolder it with a new piece of wire, but just got a new connector and whatnot. It's a bear getting up in there and getting that clip off. Yeah, that was a pain. I don't know what happened, but I could not get it off without almost destroying it. So you're supposed to pull up on this and release it, but this is really stiff metal here. I wound up have to bend that back together. I could not find one at the part store or nothing. But clips on that rod. Once you see it, when you take yours apart, it goes in between. I can't even get up in there with both of us. You see that rod there that goes to the brake booster? The switch kind of goes in between that, sorta. And the clip goes on it. So, it's kind of a bear to get off. I don't know what I was having troubles with, but yeah, that was my problem. The wire just corroded off of it. Sometimes the switch, the contacts in there go bad, but mine literally was just old. It's a 95. It, just melted, and there's a bunch of green pus coming out of here. Oh yeah, you can see it right there. Yeah. So, it was corroded. So, replace the connector, replace the switch. We should have brake lights again. So, there you go. A few-minute video for you. Hope it helps.